I know it's hard. It's really difficult to choose a programming language, especially when you're starting out in data science and machine learning. You may be getting thoughts like, what if I choose Python and I don't get the right results? Which one will be easy for me to understand and learn as a non CS grad? And which one will help you to make better projects? Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Singh and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In today's video, we'll be comparing both these Python and R programming language on the basis of usability, flexibility, visualization libraries, ease of learning, and we will also see that which one to use for data science and machine learning. Let's start with understanding the basics first. Both of these two programming languages were created in 90s. Python is a high-level programming language and is loved by the developers all around the world, whereas R is a low-level programming language and has a smaller developer community than Python. R is a little slower than Python. R is basically created for data analysis and statistical analysis on huge amounts of data. Big companies like FAN uses R for analyzing their massive data sets. But these companies also use Python for machine learning and data science. Python is like more of a general purpose programming language, but R was basically created for scientists to perform statistical and mathematical calculations on the data set. And it also helps us to create beautiful visualizations. If we compare which one of these is easy to learn and understand, most of the data scientists recommend using Python as the programming language as it has a lot of useful libraries like pandas. You can use this single library for your whole data exploration process. On the other hand, if you start out with R, it will be a little difficult for you to start out with, but once you understand the basics and do regular practice, it will be easy for you to understand and implement in that as well. When it comes to usability, our programming language has a lot of useful libraries and you have to remember them all. Some of the most popular ones are ggplot2, MLR, squeeze, etc. that we use in data science. On the other hand, if you start out with Python, you have to learn only few libraries that can help you to do all the data science steps. We have already created a video on top 10 Python libraries for data science and machine learning. Do check that out as well. Some of the most popular Python libraries are pandas, numpy, matplotlib, etc. Let's just talk about visualization using Python and R programming language. So R programming language gives us hundreds of functions to visualize our data sets, which are installed by default. That means we don't have to install any extra library to create scatter plots, histograms, box plots, etc. On the other hand, in Python, we have to import libraries like matplotlib to visualize our data set using scatter plots, histograms, etc. Both of these two programming languages are well equipped with visualization libraries. Python is more like of a general purpose programming language, but R was basically created for analyzing the data sets. So here R is a clear winner. Finally, let's talk about machine learning using these two languages. Python has some of the most popular powerful libraries for machine learning. One of them is scikit-learn, which makes it really easy. With Python, we can even go beyond ML and integrate with other languages as well. On the other hand, R also has some machine learning packages like Garret, which was created for data analysis and statistical analysis. So Python is a clear winner over here. Okay, so generally you will see that there are more data scientists working with Python programming languages than R. Reason being that most of the working data scientists are not CS grads, and Python is a very easy language to understand and learn, so they choose Python over R. If you see Stack Overflow, Python is the most is on the number third in the most loved language, whereas R is way below on the chart. When you look for job postings in data science and machine learning, you will find out that companies don't want individuals who know both these languages, Python and R. They want to hire individuals who are fluent in any one of these languages. So nowadays, a lot of companies are focused towards artificial intelligence and machine learning. So you will see a lot of job postings for Python developer. Well, we have included all the points and comparisons that you should keep in mind before choosing any one particular language. As for me, you should try your hands out in both these languages after doing some hands-on practice. I think you will be more clear on which one to choose. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to Geeks for Geeks, and let me know in the comment section below if you want more videos on data science and machine learning. Till then, bye.